Hello. My name is Pat, and I'm here to tell you about solar hot water heaters, the most excellent investment you could ever consider. Solar hot water heaters are fantastic for many ways and can significantly reduce the cost of water heating. Solar water heaters make the perfect thing. They are progressively more common in warmer and middle latitude elements of both developed and developing countries. Solar water heaters are eligible in a 30% renewable energy taxes credit from the authorities. Solar heaters need to be installed according to requirements, local building rules and regulations nowadays in place regarding the systems. Solar water heaters can perform in any climate. I hope you are not that overwhelmed with so much data I presented to you here.